Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming basic network and app settings before troubleshooting further. Ensure your phone and PC are on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Avoid guest networks or isolated client modes that block local traffic. Open Soundwire server on the PC and note the server IP address like 192, 168, 100. Confirm the Soundwire client app shows the same IP and default port 59010. If the IP differs, use the next check firewalls and router settings that commonly block Soundwire. Allow Soundwire server through your PC firewall for TCP port 59010. If needed, create an inbound rule permitting the app on private networks. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to test if it blocks the connection. On the router, enable local network traffic and turn client isolation off. Reboot the router if settings changed, and then retry connecting the client to the server. If problems persist, perform advanced local checks and try alternatives. Restart the PC audio service and set the default audio output to the device used by Soundwire. Verify the server shows active clients and that latency slider is reasonable for your network. Try wired USB tethering or a phone hotspot if Wi-Fi issues persist for faster diagnostics. As a last resort, use USB audio routing apps or alternative streaming like Bluetooth for a stable audio connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.